until I run out. All right, keep going. This is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Am I done?
Yes.
I am completely done because you've used all of your tiles. You have 4 rows. How many are in each row? 3. So therefore, we know if there are 3 tiles in each row, so there are 3 trees in each of the rows, all right? We're going to pull out our book, and I want you to turn in your book to page 269, quickly. If your partner needs help, help them. 269. We're not going to use the tiles anymore for right now. Just put them away. Thumbs up when you're on 269. Good. Thank you. This table back here, Earth is good. Earth has theirs all together. What about this group over here? Okay, if you notice on page 269, your page looks like mine. Okay? All right, I've got to find my, let me pull my question out. No, you can, wait a second. Wait on me. Bless you. All right, you are going to continue. Go ahead and fill in your information. It says a tree farmer plants 12 red trees. Circle that. Circle your 4 equal rows and then underline your question. I need you to fill in your blue box quickly. Sure, because you know that's equal. Okay, thumbs up when you have your blue box filled in.
So we write what you wrote up there, the 2 3s?
Not yet, we're in the blue box first. Okay? Well, what strategy did we just use in the blue box?
Build array.
Build an array, because we did that prior to opening our book. So we built an array, so in your blue box you should have build an array. Okay? Because that's what we did. Alright, now you can go in and fill in your information here. There are 3 tiles in each row, so there are 3 trees in each row. So fill that in, because we're answering our question here. Okay? Thumbs up when we have that done. Very good. So now, guys, this is a division sign, not an addition sign, because we are doing division. We're past addition. We're doing division, okay? So, remember, our quotient comes first. I mean, our dividend comes first. So our dividend is always going to be our largest number, except when it is what, Dylan? When is this not the largest number?
Unless it's 0.
Unless it's 0. We talked about that. So, looking at our information, what is the largest number? What is our dividend?
12.
So, fill in 12 here. All right. Now, the second number, our divisor is going to be how many rows we have. Not how many are in each row, because we had to find that. This was a question right here. We didn't know this yet. So we have to take the information that was already given to us. So because we know this was 12, we started with 12 tiles. We count the rows. So my divisor is going to be what, my friend? 4. Okay, we used this information given to find out how many were in each row, and that was
3.
So our quotient is 3. Now I can check this by using a related fact. Just look at it backwards. 3 times 4 equals 12. If they don't match, then something's not right, okay? The other way we can write this is using a bracket. 12 divided by 4, what goes up here?
3.
And let's read this. How would we read this? 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Very good. All right, now let's look at some other ways. Look down at the bottom of your page. Don't do anything yet. Stay with me. All right, I'm going to go to my next screen. Okay? Yours looks like mine. Okay, let me erase this. All right, now it's telling us to make equal groups. All right? We still are using the exact same question at the top about the trees. Okay? Let me drag this over. We still have the same tree farmer. He planted 12 maple trees into 4 equal rows. All right, here are my rows. We just turned them into circles. They're still equal groups, whether they're this way or circles. Okay? We started at 12. Now, guys, it's very important that you just put one in each until you run out. Don't try to put them all in the same at one time. So you won't get confused. There you go. So what we're going to do, it tells us place one counter in each group. Continue placing one counter at a time until you use all 12. Okay, because you don't want to try to do this and then try to figure out why something wrong out here. They have to be equal. So as I'm putting one in each, you put one in yours. And we're going to count until we run out. Here we go. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There we go. So we have our 4 equal groups of 12. Okay? Now, let's read it. Does yours look like mine?
Yes.
How many do you have in each circle?
3.
So let's read this bottom sentence here. Go.
There are 3 counters in each group.
Very good. Look at your Math Talk at the bottom. All right, your Math Talk tells you to explain how making an array to solve the problem is like making equal groups. How was what we built on our desk similar to making equal groups like that? You have 30 seconds to write, starting now. How was making an array the same as building these equal groups? We're still building. Okay? Get some good information here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, share with your partner what you wrote down for your Math Talk.
Because they can just in a row.
Okay, so your counter is like your
Things that are in each row. There's like.
Look, how does that help? Like to solve a side problem and a division? Got it? I know you're the same thing, but how is that? Like, all right, friends, come back to me. And let's turn to page 270. Our next page. Heard some good Math Talk as I was walking around. All right, your next one, we're going to look at a different way. Okay, don't get confused. It's okay. Remember, I always tell you, use what you know. You use what strategy works best for you. Because what works best for one person may not work best for somebody else. Okay, whatever floats your boat. I heard that. Okay? But you hear me? All right, here's another way. Even if you don't want to use this one, I'm going to introduce it to you just in case you might like it. Some people like different things, okay? So we're going to use the factors to find 12 divided by 4. Notice we're still using the same numbers, 12 and 4. Okay? The way we're going to do this, we're going to look, I want you to put a box around your divisor of 4. Put a box around your divisor of 4. Everybody got that? Up here.
You were received for?
Use this one right here, just like I have it. Okay? Now, I know the factors of 4 are going to be 2 and 2. It's a double. 2 times 2 is 4. So if I know these factors are 2 and 2, I'm going to split this 4 up into 2 and 2. Yes, sir. Good deal. All right, so you see these 2 factors. You see what I did?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
split them up, okay? Now, to divide by 4, we're going to use these factors right here. Both of the 2's. All right? So remember, we don't know what n is. But every time you see a number at the end of a problem, a letter, that's the unknown. It's like algebra, okay? It is your unknown. Whether it's an N, a J, a K, or L, it's the unknown. Or shape. You're right. It could be a shape. It's just we don't know what it is, so you've got to use this other information to help you find what that missing number is.
It's just showing you that there's a blank.
All right. So now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take both of these factors. I'm still going to use the same dividend, 12. All right? I'm just going to divide 12 by the first number 2. Put a check by it. So I split that up. So I know that 12 divided by 2 is what, guys?
6.
All right? Do you see that arrow? It's kind of like when we did repeated subtraction. You have to draw an arrow down there.